Hello students, right? So this message is for the students who are sitting in A-level examination in 2026, right? So I am teaching biology for the A-level students, and this message is for the students who are taking the advanced level biology as a subject. So I hope that you know when the exam is in on 2026, right? It is planned on August month around 10th, right? So now we are going to take a paper class, right? This is not simply a paper class, it's paper class plus revision. So we are starting on 17th December, right? December, and from there every Wednesday from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. you have a question answering session, right? We give the paper and you are going to answer the questions in the given time and in somewhat exam setup, right? And then from the 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. we are going to have an interactive discussion, right? That includes both the revision of the theory part, right? So you are going to remind these things as the theory context, and then you have to practice how to face for the MCQ questions and how to answer the questions on SEQ and essay questions, which should be at least 99% tally with the marking scheme, because it's not valid in biology to write whatever correct, right? But you have to focus on what is there in the marking scheme, that means what is there in the theory context of your resource book, right? This is same as our tute, which we are prepared with additional pictures and explanation, right? So I hope that you will join us our paper and revision class on 17th. We are starting on this week, right? And somewhat briefing about what we have left with, right? So we have about if you calculate 3 weeks for the month of December, and from next week, so we are left with somewhat 32 weeks, right? So out of that, we will spare the last 8 weeks for the complete revision of the full papers, right? So that means your advanced level examination will come with the A to Z, right? From the first unit to the 10th unit. You have the 50 MCQs and SCQ 4 questions, and out of 6 essay questions you have to answer for 4 questions. So that type of, that model questions you have to practice for the last 8 weeks. So we are left with 24 weeks. So in these 24 weeks, we are going to do 2 things, right? So the one thing is you are going to practice the syllabus, all the facts, the theory part in unit-wise revision. Unit-wise revision, and right, so that means you finish the unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, likewise you practice the MCQs, SCQs, essay questions in each unit, right? And that is what we do in these 24 weeks, and this is what we are doing in last 8 weeks. And there is another thing that we do in the second point, right? That means in these 24 weeks, we are not only merely doing the unit-wise revision, at the same time we have some term-wise revision also. Term-wise revision also. That means if you finish the first unit, second unit and the third unit, you get the questions and you practice to answer all these 3 units, the questions which comprises of these 3 units. And when you finish the second term, or when you finish the unit 4 and the first part of the unit 5 human biology, you will get the questions from unit 1 to unit 5 first part, right? That, like that, you have some term-wise revisions also. So winning the game, getting not an A plus, right? Getting an A plus, A mark, A pass is somewhat it looks like not difficult, right? But our aim in our biology class, right, is not to get an A pass, but to get score around more than 90 marks for the biology. So for that, practice is the medicine. Practice, practice, practice. You have to practice MCQs, SCQs and essay in various words, various modes, right? Right. So unit wise, term wise, full papers, everything will be covered in our class. So I warmly welcome you and invite you to join the biology class with Dr. Panduka, and you get a 90 plus value for your biology paper. Thank you, and hope to see you in our biology revision class paper class. Okay, see you.